Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, Vision Support 2, 60 Soft Gels. Product Overview Description. Supports optimal eye health. Non-GMO gluten-free absorbable advanced dietary supplement. GMP Manufacturing quality assured independent testing. Discussion. Vision Support 2 is a combination of ingredients based on the latest scientific research to support eye health. Suggested use. Take 2 soft gels per day with food, or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients: extra virgin olive oil, safflower oil, softgel, gelatin, glycerin and caramel color, corn oil, mixed tocopherols. Contains soy. AOR guarantees that all ingredients have been declared on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, nuts, peanuts, sesame seeds, mustard, dairy, eggs, fish or shellfish. Warnings. Do not use if you are pregnant or lactating. Consult your physician before use if you have a medical condition, or if you're taking any medication. Keep out of reach of children. Do not use if safety seal is broken. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.